So guys, this is just some of the fishy business going on around the county, where it has happened all over the place. Look at these farms. These are for governor, and let's see them marked.
This is the only polling station and we didn't have a.
There we go. Right, let's open it up. Ha! It's marked for Patrick Ole Nkanai. This is probably about 100 leaflets. There's a couple of more different ones that were in a ballot box that was meant to be changed with others. This is said to have happened all over the county, and just to manipulate the results and to swear in people that want to be in power forcefully. So thank you to the residents of Ole Nkanai Primary School for telling the police, and also taking, making sure that they didn't allow it to go on. So